7 crore rupees versus 10 crore rupees. Which rooftop solar solution would you pick? Managing director of an automotive company based out of Haryana was exploring a rooftop solution. He had 1.5 lakh square feet space, sufficient for 1.1 megawatt rooftop solution, but parallelly he knew that Haryana has a net metering cap of 500 kilowatt. He had around 70 days non-operational, so he was confused whether he should go for a 500 kilowatt rooftop solution under net metering or go for entire 1.1 megawatt and do it without net metering. Somewhere he knew that he wanted to be in policy compliances, so he was preferring 500 kilowatt unless we did these 3 steps for him, which decoded the exact savings and ROI that he's getting in both of these options. In this video, I'm going to share those 3-step framework, because if you are in a similar situation, you will get step-by-step framework to get answer to this solution. In the end, I have a special invitation for you, so watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Step number 1 is to calculate savings under net metering solution. In net metering, 500 kilowatt is the cap. 500 kilowatt will give roughly 8.1 lakh units. That's equivalent to 28 lakh rupees savings per annum. And if you multiply for 25 years, that's a 7 crore rupees saving. That's the saving that he will get under net metering solution. Step 2 is to calculate the behind the meter savings. In this, the capacity behind the meter is 1.1 megawatt. But before you calculate the saving, here is a twist. The twist is there will be a deemed generation. There are 72 non-operational days, and during these days when solar is generating and this manufacturing plant is not consuming, that will be a loss for them. So when you are calculating the savings in this case, you have to reduce the losses. For example, 1.1 megawatt will give 14.85 lakh units, and that is equivalent to 51 lakh rupees savings on a year basis. And then there are roughly 20% deemed generation, which is 72 days. That is equivalent to 12 lakh rupees in deemed loss. And the net savings is 40 lakh rupees per annum, and for 25 years it is 10 crore rupees. Step number 3 is to compare both the options side by side. Net metering option 500 kilowatt, behind the meter 1.1 megawatt. Net metering is giving you a 7 crore rupees saving, behind the meter 10 crore, extra 3 crore rupees saving, and most importantly, the roof utilization in case of behind the meter is complete 100%. So think like a CFO, and that's what this managing director did, and he was able to save extra 3 crore rupees by following this step-by-step methodology. And if you are in a situation where you are not able to decode whether to go for a net metering solution and behind the meter solution, follow the steps that I've taught you. And if you found this video valuable and want to know more about the renewable energy solution, be it open access solution, rooftop solution, then I have a special invitation for you. This invitation is to invite you to book a one-on-one consultation call with me and my team. In this meeting of 1 hour, we are going to decode the electricity bill, we are going to decode the renewable energy requirements for you and guide you which is the right solution which can give you a maximum savings, maximum ROI, and maximum renewable energy replacement. Trust me, this 1 hour investment from your side will give you at least 10x return. I only have 8 slots in a month, and this gets filled up very fast. So go to the link, schedule a call with me and my team. I look forward to see you in the meeting and in my next video. Do subscribe to this video if you found this valuable and if you want access to renewable energy insights faster. Thank you so much for watching.